our first lesson. How exciting is that? So in this lesson, I just wanted to quickly touch base on the basics of UGC and explain what it is and where is it usually used. I'm sure that since you enrolled into this course, you probably know what UGC is and where it's used and you know all the basics about it. But just in case you don't, I also want to explain it to you just so we are on the same page. So first of all, what is UGC and what does it stand for? So it stands for user generated content, and it kind of speaks for itself. It is content, whether it would be pictures, whether it would be videos, any other material created by a person and then given to the brand to use. That means that you're not posting on your own social media accounts. You're simply creating the content and giving it to the brand. And once the brand receives that content, they can use it in either ads or their own social media channels, their emails, their website, wherever they want. And I also wanted to touch base on one thing that was confusing for me before I started UGC and content creation is basically what's the difference between these two. I was hearing so many terms like influencer, content creator, UGC creator, and I thought it's basically the same thing, but it's actually not. It's basically when you create content and you also upload it to your own social media channels, you engage with your own community, etc. On the other hand, we have UGC creators who still create the content. So it still works similarly to content creator or influencer because you still generate that content. But the difference is that instead of uploading it to your own social media accounts, you're then giving it to the brand to upload to their own social media accounts or use it for other different purposes. But you usually never upload it to your own social media